Marketing is the lifeblood of your business, okay? We all understand how our bodies would do if it didn't have blood in it, right? This is the thing that kind of keeps your business alive and keeps stuff pumping through your veins. You know, one of the biggest mistakes people make is that when money gets tight or business slows down, one of the first things they cut back on is what? Advertising and marketing. That's the worst mistake you can possibly make. Cut back on your pay if you have to. Cut back on employees and work 120 hours a week if you have to. Cut back on supplies you're getting from Office Depot. The last thing you should cut is marketing and advertising, because that is the lifeblood of your business. And I'm not just specifically talking about real estate investing. Many of you guys have other side hustles. You have other businesses. It pertains to every single business. Some of you guys have heard me say this before, but you could have gone through the best school on the planet. You could be the best chiropractor on the planet. You could have the best degree in the chiropractic field, every new technique, every new little massaging tool and all that kind of stuff. And if you can't get people, patients in your door, guess what? You go out business, okay? You don't stick around for very long. We had a pediatrician that my wife absolutely loved. Nicest guy in the world. She just thought he was great with our kids, etc. And about 6 months after we started going there, he closed up the shop. Why? He was a great pediatrician. Why? Because he couldn't get patients in the door. He couldn't make enough money in the business. And so it doesn't matter. You could be a great landscaper, but if you can't get people to call you, you're just a guy with a lawnmower, right? This business is all about generating customers. And of course, in the creative real estate investing business, that is about generating motivated sellers. People that are going to call us, or we're going to call them, or we're going to track them down. We're going to uncover those deals where there's somebody that for some reason is motivated to the point that they need to sell a property and they need to sell it quickly, right? This is, without question, the greatest skill needed by creative real estate investors.